Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Maribel May Banyas. I'm 32 years old and I live in Tatala, Binawanan, Rizal, Philippines. I have live-in partner and 5 years old son. I'm a 4 years college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science Information Technology. My height is 157 centimeter while my weight is 69 kilogram. My hobbies are cleaning the house, cooking, playing with kids, dancing, and listening to music. I have work experience as a housemaid in Kuwait for 1 year and 4 months, serving 6 members of the family, including 2 adults and 4 children, ages 9 years old boy, 7 years old girl, and 5 years old twin boys. My duties are cleaning two-story house, cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, playing with kids, and drop off and pick up kids at school. I have work experience also in Hong Kong for 2 years and 9 months, serving 4 members of the family, including 1 adult and 3 children, ages 2 years old and 4 years old boys, and 8 months girl. My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, prepare foods, playing with kids at the playground, marketing, and take care of 2 dogs. I want to work in Hong Kong again because my salary in Philippines is not enough for my family expenses and I want to save money for my family. Before I end this introduction, I want to share with you a short song entitled Baby Shark. Baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark. Mommy shark, toot 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 toot, mommy shark, toot 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 toot, mommy shark. Daddy shark, toot 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 toot, daddy shark, toot 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 toot, daddy shark. Grandma shark, toot 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 toot, grandma shark, toot 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 toot, grandma shark. Grandpa shark, toot 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 toot, grandpa shark, toot 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 toot, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, toot 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 toot, let's go hunt, toot 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 toot, let's go hunt. Thank you. I hope you like my song. And for my future employer, please hire me because I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, loyal, and a patient person, especially for kids. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I hope I will be working with you in Hong Kong very soon. Good day, ma'am, sir.